Friends, today the topic for discussion is the latest, very new amendment, or you can say a big news in income tax, that is ITR-A. ITR-A is a new ITR and it is announced. The notification came on 19th September 2022. So very new one. Therefore, I think I should come out with a clarification how to fill up ITR-A and what are the things in which situation it should be filled up and who should fill up. All these things is very important for us. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe and offer your comments. All of your doubts and comments will be answered. Friends, this ITR-A is effective from 1st of November 2022 and the modified return has to be filed in ITR-A. Friends, this is filed by the corporate sector where there is a reorganization, rearrangement like amalgamation, merger, etc. is going on, and demerger also the case. And the company has either filed the return or not filed the return. There are two companies involved. One is your predecessor, another one is your successor. And the successor has filed the ITR-6 or not filed the ITR-6. And assessing officer is of reason to believe that there is a need to reassessment or refiling of income tax return. And the same has been confirmed by High Court, ITAT or any authority. Then in that case, there is a scope for revision of ITR-6 or filing of the modified return. Friends, the assessing officer shall pass an order modifying the total income of the relevant assessment year. And based on the reassessment, the return ITR-A has to be filed. So, friends, this return is filed by persons, that is not by individual, not by HUF, that is filed by the companies. And what are the documents to be needed? That is, if you have already filed ITR-6, then you need acknowledgement number, date of filing the return. These informations are needed. If you won't file, you have not filed the ITR-6, then you have to mention over here, and in that case you have to file the modified return. Friends, this is a case where information relating to Section 170A give details of successor entity filing the return of income. If there are more than one successor entity, you have to file the names of successor entity, corporate identification number, date of incorporation, date of commencement of business. All these informations of successor entity has to be filed up. Similarly, we have to file up the predecessor entity details. Predecessor में भी आपको PAN number, name of predecessor entity and the corporate identification number, incorporation date and business starting date. All these items has to be filled up. Then for which assessment year ITR-A is being filed. Then you have to mention whether ITR-6 has already been filed. If it is already filed, under section 139(1), that is normal return, then you have to tick the box. Otherwise, you have to go for the drop down box and select whichever is applicable. Then if ITR 6 has already been filed, then you have to put the acknowledgement number, date of filing, etc. And if the return is filed by the order of High Court, Tribunal and other adjudicating authorities, we have to tick out that box. And you have to mention also the date of order, order number, and you have to upload the ITR 6 which is modified as per the order under section 170(a) in case here. Then acknowledgement number and date of filing of the modified return will be auto-filled at the time of submission. Friends, that is, while we will be submitting, that verification is necessary and all the details has to be filed up. Friends, this notification has come on 19th by notification number 110 2022. Friends, all these things are very important, and lot of thanks to all of you for